guys, I'm about to meet Dee right here and check out BMW Group's vision of a fully connected, fully digitalized mobility. They say it's a truly immersive user experience. Sounds exciting. Hey Dee!
Hi Jun, great to see you.
You too!
Shall we get started?
Heck yeah! Did you just wink at me?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Wow, is that me?
Heck yeah.
Well, great job. Ooh. But I was expecting a lot more bling bling.
Bling?
Yeah, displays, buttons, all that stuff.
Oh, okay. Yes, our technology is a little, let's say, shy, but everything is there when you need it. And if you need a display or a switch, then, woo, of course, there it is.
Say, are you trying to sound like me?
Question back. How do you like it?
It's cool. It's like talking to my bestie.
Okay, bestie, let's hit the road.
Okay, so what are these light dots for?
That's the BMW mixed reality slider. Try it.
Ah, there it is, the techie stuff. What can I check out here?
Driving information, the latest news, messages, your calendar, your social feed, whatever you want.
Coolio. Augmented reality. I love that. Ah, bummer. I wouldn't have seen him.
That's what I'm here for. You can pass the cyclist now if you like.
Thanks, Dee. Now I know what a mixed reality slider is.
That's great, Jun. But there's more.
Wow, awesome! It's like a fantasy world. It looks like you and I have the same taste. The perfect match, I'd say.
Really? Thank you. And now, Jun, I'd really like to learn more about you.
Yeah, sure. Ever heard of the phrase, show me your social feed and I'll tell you who you are?
Sort of, but not quite the same. So I guess you're telling me to look at your social media accounts and figure something out.
Yep.
Okay, so here I see you're a bit of a techie. You love anything to do with virtual and augmented reality. So we are a perfect match. And cool! You're into the movies and superheroes of the 80s and 90s?
Yeah, totally. There's Knight Rider and Arnold Schwarzenegger especially. He's the greatest.
Oh yeah, Arnie is truly cool, even if he does need a motivational kick from time to time. Are you okay?
You know Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Yeah, we've had some fun times together. Wanna see? I know. Heck yeah. Welcome, Arnie. Welcome to the future.
Wow, didn't see that one coming. Can you change your color?
Arnie!
But what about the emotions?
Oh, if I could, I would hug you right now.
Don't be silly. You're a car. You cannot hug me.
I can digitally hug you.
Whatever. You know, maybe not everything was better in the past. Embracing the future might be helpful.
Exactly, 'cause the future isn't that far away.
You are. Gee, that's cool.
Hey, if you want,
I can also talk to you like this. Hasta la vista.
what do you think?
That's funny, but I think I prefer your normal voice.
Really?
You're obviously more than just a car with a voice then. Are you kids?
D stands for Digital Emotional Experience. I'm the first BMW with a digital soul and my own independent character. And I create a truly human experience.
So all BMWs will be like you in the future?
That's our vision. I am part of the BMW Group's strategy for the future.
Ah, okay, so you're part of the Neue Klasse.
Yes, exactly. We've already shown people we can do electric with BMW iX, iX1, iX3, BMW i4, and BMW i7. The same with circular, with the BMW iVision Circular. And I embody the vision of digital.
So with you, I'm exploring digital worlds.
Yeah.
Cool.
And the great thing is, this is just the beginning.
So Dee, don't leave me hanging.
I'd never do that. Okay. So, I'm also a portal to the virtual world.
Okay, what do you mean?
Let me show you.
Wow! Awesome! That's so cool. But wait, we're still in the city, right?
We sure are.
So all this is virtual. Even the flowers? I mean, I can literally smell the flowers.
You can smell the flowers because fragrance is a part of the immersive experience.
Crazy. What else is there?
Sound and
Heat vibration. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my digital experience with Dee. I sure loved it. That kind of stuff is totally my thing. But I'm not gonna say goodbye just yet, because I want the star of this show to have the last word. Dee, over to you.
hey friends, I am BMW iVision Dee. I can be your companion, maybe even your soulmate. Either way, I'll always be here to guide you through the real or virtual world. But wait, there's one more thing.